Section 1. A Belgian tapestry. Unveiling Brussels. Brussels, the very heart of Europe, is a city of many contrasts. It masterfully combines its medieval splendor with striking modern architecture. Its many cobblestone streets echo with history. The aroma of waffles and chocolate fills the air. This is a city that captivates the senses. Brussels is a melting pot of many cultures. It is home to the European Union. This international influence is felt in its diverse neighborhoods. Each neighborhood offers different perspectives. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, Brussels has something for all. Explore world-class museums or indulge in tasty Belgian chocolates. Discover hidden courtyards or relax in one of the many green spaces. Brussels invites you to uncover its secrets. Prepare to be enchanted by Brussels' unique charm. This city promises an unforgettable experience. Let's delve into the heart of this captivating destination. Section 2. The Grand Place, a step back in time. No trip to Brussels is complete without a visit to the Grand Place. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a breathtaking spectacle. The square is surrounded by opulent guild halls, their ornate facades telling tales of a bygone era. The Grand Place is the historical heart of Brussels. It has witnessed centuries of history, from medieval markets to royal processions. Today, it remains a vibrant hub of activity. Every 2 years, the Grand Place transforms into a breathtaking spectacle. A colorful flower carpet covers the entire square. This event draws visitors from around the globe. Take your time to admire the detailed architecture. Each building tells its own unique story. Soak up the lively atmosphere and enjoy the street performers. The Grand Place is a feast for the senses. Section 3. Atomium, a glimpse into the future. In stark contrast to the historical grandeur of the Grand Place stands the Atomium. This gleaming, iconic structure is a testament to Brussels' forward-looking spirit. It was built for the 1958 World Fair. The Atomium represents an iron crystal magnified 165 billion times. Visitors can explore its 9 spheres connected by escalators and tubes. The top sphere offers great panoramic views of the city. Inside the Atomium, you'll find permanent and temporary exhibitions. These exhibitions explore different themes, from science and technology to art and design. There's something to captivate every interest. The Atomium is a symbol of Brussels' innovative spirit and a reminder of the city's role in shaping the future. Don't miss the opportunity to experience this architectural marvel. Section 4. Mannequin Piss, Brussels' tiny icon. No visit to Brussels is complete without encountering the city's most unusual resident, Mannequin Piss. This small bronze statue of a peeing boy is a beloved symbol of Brussels. The origins of Mannequin Piss are shrouded in legend. One story suggests he saved the city from a fire by extinguishing it with his well-aimed stream. Whatever the truth, he has become an enduring icon of Brussels. Mannequin Piss is renowned for his extensive wardrobe. He's dressed up in costumes for special occasions. These range from traditional garments to playful costumes. While Mannequin Piss himself is quite small, his cultural significance is immense. He embodies the city's playful spirit and its humor. Be sure to snap a photo with this Brussels icon. Section 5. Savoring Brussels, a culinary journey. Brussels is a paradise for food lovers. From its world-renowned chocolates to its waffles, the city offers a culinary adventure for every palate. Be sure to treat yourself to these local specialties. No visit to Brussels is complete without enjoying Belgian waffles. These crispy golden treats are best enjoyed warm and dusted with powdered sugar. They are a true delight. Another must-try is moule frite, a classic Belgian dish. This dish features succulent mussels steamed in white wine and served with crispy Belgian fries. It is a true taste of Brussels. Don't forget to indulge in some Belgian chocolate. Brussels is home to some of the finest chocolatiers in the world. Treat yourself to a box of pralines or a cup of delicious hot chocolate. Brussels boasts a rich artistic heritage. The city is home to a wealth of museums, art galleries, and street art. Explore the different facets of Brussels' creative spirit. For art lovers, a visit to the Magritte Museum is a must. This museum houses the largest collection of works by René Magritte, the renowned surrealist painter. Lose yourself in his thought-provoking masterpieces. Another must-visit is the Royal Museums of Fine Arts of Belgium. This museum complex houses an extensive collection of art and includes works by Flemish masters such as Rubens and Bruegel. Brussels streets are an ever-changing open-air gallery known for its vibrant street art scene. As you walk through various neighborhoods, you'll uncover striking murals, stencils, and graffiti. While the main attractions draw crowds, Brussels is a city best explored by venturing off the beaten path. Discover hidden courtyards, charming cafes, and local markets. One such hidden gem is the Galeries Royales Saint-Hubert. This elegant covered shopping arcade is a haven for luxury boutiques, chocolatiers, and cafes. It is a delightful place to escape the hustle and bustle. For a taste of local life, head to the Marolles district. This historic neighborhood is home to antique shops, vintage stores, and traditional bars. It offers a glimpse into the city's authentic charm. Don't be afraid to get lost in the labyrinthine streets of Brussels. You never know what hidden treasures you might stumble upon. Getting around Brussels is easy thanks to its efficient public transportation system. The city is well connected by metro, tram, and bus lines. Purchase a Brussels card for unlimited travel. The best time to visit Brussels is in the shoulder seasons. Spring, April to May, and fall, September to October, offer pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Summer can get very crowded, while winter is often cold and rainy. Brussels is generally a safe city, but it's always wise to be aware of your surroundings. Keep your valuables secure and be cautious of pickpockets, especially in crowded areas. When dining out, it's customary to leave a small tip. Around 5 to 10% of the bill is standard practice. Most restaurants accept credit cards, but it's always a good idea to carry some cash. Brussels, Belgium, is a city that invites you to slow down, savor the moment, and embrace the unexpected. It is a city where history and modernity intertwine, where culinary delights await around every corner, and where a playful spirit pervades the air. As you explore the grand squares and hidden alleyways, allow yourself to get lost in the city's unique charm. Strike up conversations with locals, sample the local brews, and embrace the art de vivre that defines Brussels. Brussels is a city that will surprise and delight you at every turn. It is a city that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. So, pack your bags, grab your walking shoes, and get ready to experience the magic of Brussels. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Ready to Travelate for more amazing content. Let's explore the world together, one unforgettable journey at a time.